Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of barley porridge. First and foremost, barley porridge is an excellent source of fiber. It contains both soluble and insoluble fibers that are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Eating barley porridge regularly can help prevent constipation, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements. In addition to being high in fiber, barley porridge is also a low glycemic index food. This means it releases energy slowly, keeping you full for longer and preventing blood sugar spikes. This makes it an ideal breakfast option for people with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Benefits of barley porridge: lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Barley is a satiating grain that contains soluble fiber, which can help stabilize blood pressure, lower high cholesterol levels, and reduce LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, sometimes called bad cholesterol in the blood. Helps you lose weight. Barley is a weight loss-friendly food due to its low fat, cholesterol, and sugar content, high fiber and protein content, and rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. 3. Reduces your risk of cancer. Barley, both in grain and grass form, can potentially protect against different types of cancers by improving intestinal health and boosting the immune system. Its richness in B vitamins and chlorophyll can aid in detoxification and destruction of cancer cells and free radicals. 4. Reduces symptoms of arthritis. Barley contains soluble fiber, which helps the body absorb nutrients better and reduce any pain related to swelling and inflammation of the joints or arthritis. Promotes healthy bones and teeth. Barley is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, such as phosphorus, manganese, calcium, and copper, which are crucial for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. 6. Combats diabetes. Barley has potential in fighting and reducing the prevalence of diabetes, possibly due to its high content of magnesium and calcium. 7. Prevents gallstones. Barley is effective in preventing gallstones in women by reducing bile acid secretion and increasing insulin sensitivity while lowering triglyceride levels. 8. Promotes cardiovascular health. Reduces your child's risk of developing asthma. 10. Gives your immune system a boost. Barley contains a rich amount of vitamin C, which can boost the immune system and speed up wound healing. Regular consumption of barley can also help the body resist cold and flu. 11. Improves digestion and constipation. Barley contains the highest amount of fiber among all grains, with 1 cup containing 13 grams of fiber. The insoluble fiber in barley acts as a probiotic, benefiting the friendly bacteria in the intestine, aiding bowel movement and digestion, and preventing constipation. 12. Helps cure anemia. Anemia, the lack of blood in the body, is a very common condition affecting people all over the world. It can result from a deficiency of iron or B vitamins, vitamin B12 in particular. The good news is that anemia can be very easily treated with good nutrition, and the better news is that barley is exactly what you need to cure the condition. Barley, in the form of barley grass powder, is an excellent source of iron and vitamin B12. The iron in barley helps to produce red blood cells and increase the volume of blood, and the vitamin B12 helps fight disease and prevent fatigue. Drink a glass of barley grass juice every morning on an empty stomach to obtain the best benefits from it. Protects against atherosclerosis. Barley can help by providing vitamin B complex, which reduce cholesterol and lipid levels in the body, which can be beneficial in preventing atherosclerosis, a condition where arterial walls narrow due to plaque buildup and can lead to heart attacks. 14. Cures impotence. Barley grass contains arginine and nitric oxide, which can improve sexual performance in men and women by increasing penile erection, treating penile dysfunction, and boosting sperm and egg cell production. Drinking barley grass juice regularly can stimulate sexual performance. 15. Prevents urinary tract infections. Barley, when consumed in the form of barley water, can be a powerful diuretic. It helps in the production of urine. Any benefits for your hair? Of course, there are. Barley contains a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that promote healthy hair. Here are some of its benefits. 1. Promotes hair growth. Barley is rich in certain vitamins like procyanidin B3, thiamine, and niacin, which help stimulate hair growth. 2. Combats hair loss. Barley is rich in iron and copper that not only treat anemia but also increase the production of red blood cells. 3. Restores hair color. As mentioned above, barley has a high amount of copper that helps to restore the original color of the hair by producing melanin. Consume barley grass powder regularly, and you will notice a visible difference within a few months. Another benefit of barley porridge is that it is easy to prepare and versatile. You can make it with different types of milk, add nuts or seeds, or even mix in some fresh fruit to add some flavor and nutrition to your breakfast. So, there you have it, the many benefits of barley porridge. It is a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option that can help you start your day on the right foot. If you haven't already, give barley porridge a try and see how it can benefit your health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.